everyone, today for unboxing we have a kettle by Philips. The model number of this kettle is HD9329/06. This is a 1920 watt product and the MRP is 2795 rupees. The packaging of the box is quite sturdy and it protects the product very well. So let us now open the box and see how does the actual product looks like. So in the box we have this kettle, the base, and this is a user manual and a warranty card. So this is how the kettle looks like. What do you think about it? Tell me in the comment section below about the looks of the kettle. I'm waiting for your comments. As far as I can see, I really feel that this kettle is very stylish. This nice color combination of deep red, black and silver gives a very premium look to it. You can see the finish is very premium. I can store this kettle anywhere, be it in my bedroom, dining table, in my kitchen. This kettle completely gels in with our modern day kitchens. Isn't it looking very smart? This kettle has metal body but it is cool touch. That means that even if the water is boiling inside, you can easily touch the body of the kettle. It will not turn hot. Here you can see this is the soft release push button. So once you press it, the lid of the kettle will automatically turn up. And you can see the opening of the lid is wide enough, so it completely opens it once you press it. Inside you can see there are no protrusions and there are no thermostat inside. That means you can very easily clean the kettle. You can see the inside of it. The double layer protection inside the kettle ensures that the water remains warm for longer period of time, unlike other kettles. So this is very helpful, especially for new mothers who want to keep water warm for longer period of time, and in general also. So this is a very helpful feature about this kettle. This is a spill proof spout here. One can easily pour liquid through it. At the bottom we have this on off switch which indicates when the kettle is switched on. Also the kettle is cordless, so you can very conveniently and easily carry it anywhere, which makes it very convenient to handle it. I will also like to show you the base of it. This is the base and one can easily wind the cord inside it. Now let's heat water in this kettle. See, this pilot light indicates that the kettle is switched on. This is a 1920 watt kettle and the capacity of this kettle is 1.7 liters. The kettle is made up of food grade stainless steel metal, and even when the water is heating inside, you can easily touch the body of the kettle because of its double layer protection inside. The water has boiled and the kettle has automatically switched off, so which is very safe to use. Now let's pour our boiling hot water. Because of the spill proof spout, one can conveniently pour any liquid from the kettle. Overall, I am quite impressed with this kettle with a nice premium look, seamless design, no protrusions anywhere on the kettle. This kettle will look really elegant in your kitchen. So if you want to buy a kettle, the best buy link has been given in the description box below. Do check it out. I hope you liked watching today's video. Please do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.